in the relationship between EMF, terminal voltage, and internal resistance, so there one equation is given.
Yes. What is the? This is the relation terminal voltage V plus small v. Okay.
So
Which
that
relation?
last one also one given, that was resistance for resistant.
This is small r. Small r represents internal resistance. That is corresponding to this one. We have calculated.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So V equal to I, because they are in series, so current flows in IR. So R will be small v upon I. V we can put EMF minus capital V. Through that we have solved. Okay. So today we'll be discussing resistance, that is combination of resistance. When we combine them in series or parallel, in some manner we are combining them. Okay. So see here, for example, some resistors are provided to us and we need some desired resistance from them. Okay. So we use some combination. Okay. We can connect them in series. What does it mean? We'll discuss that one. We can connect them in parallel, or we can connect them in combination of both, that is series per plus parallel. Okay. This way, to get the desired resistance in a circuit, we can connect them in series, we can connect them in parallel, we can connect them in series as well as in parallel. That is, in both manner we can connect them. Okay. So these are the three ways to combine the resistors. These are the three ways to combine the resistors. Okay. So first we'll be discussing series. Okay. Like, okay, this one example I give you. Like battery is the series combination of cells. Okay. Battery is the series combination of cells. And here's here, resistance we are adding in series. So, for example, this is our circuit. This is plus, this is minus, this is one cell. And we have connected first resistor. Okay. Now, at the end of the first resistor, we are connecting the second resistor. After second resistor, we have connected third resistor. Any number of resistors we can connect in this way. Okay. This is called series. That is, this is one end of the resistor. This is other end. I'll mark them A, B, C, D. Okay. This is our A, B, C, D. B, C, D. And resistors are, this is R1, R2. This is their resistance value. R1, R2, R3. There are three resistors, R1, R2, R3. They are connected in series. That means one resistor end is connected to the battery. Other end of the resistor first. R1 is connected to the end point of second resistance. The other end of the endpoint of the second resistor is connected to the one of the endpoints of third resistor, and its endpoint is connected to the negative terminal of the battery. So this is how one circuit is complete. This is how our circuit is complete. Okay. Now in this circuit, what will be the equivalent resistance? Okay, that we have to calculate. That is, what will be the total resistance offered in this circuit? What is the total resistance offered in the circuit, that we have to calculate? Okay, so this is our potential. That is terminal voltage. We are marked terminal voltage. EMF we won't require now. Internal resistance as well we don't consider much now. We don't require. We require the terminal voltage. That is the voltage that is at the terminals of the battery now. Okay. So we won't take EMF, we won't take internal resistance, we are skipping that one. Okay. What voltage is available, what potential difference is available across these two endpoints, A and D, that is V, terminal voltage. Okay. We'll discuss this as V. Okay. So since we are not discussing EMF and resistance, we simply call it as potential difference or V. Okay. Now V is across A and D. Okay. Now see here, they are connected in series. So what will happen to the current? So following some facts we must know. How much path, which are all the paths? This is the current will flow from positive terminal, will enter through A, then will enter through R1, R2, R3, and then to the negative terminal. This is the path of the current. Now, what current flows from here? So current flowing through all the resistance is same. I current flows, I current flows, I current flows. Okay. But what about the potential? Some potential drop here, then some drop here, some drop here. Okay. So highest potential will be, for example, at A point, we have potential VA. At B point,
Sir, that means we have to increase the voltage
how can we increase the
because
voltage? Battery is having constant value. V is constant
okay,
here.
sir.
We can change the amount of current. We can change the amount of current flowing depending on resistance. If we change the
R1
resistance, okay,
resistance.
see here, okay, just listen here. Potential difference is this voltage, this potential difference is constant, okay? But we can change the amount of current flowing. How? If we provide the more resistance in the path. More resistance means current will have more resistance to flow, more obstruction to the flow, so less current will flow. More the resistance, less current will flow. As well, you can see here. We have learned this one, V equal to IR. Since V is
IR.
constant, okay, I'm increasing resistance. I'm increasing resistance. What will become? What will be the current? Current will decrease
Less
because their product
decrease.
will be constant. Their product has to be constant. That is voltage, potential difference. So more the resistance, less the current will flow. More the
Okay,
resistance,
sir.
less the current will flow. Okay. More the resistance means more obstruction. That means current will have more obstruction in the path. It will get slow. Okay. So we are having VA, we are having VB, VC, VD. These are the potentials at A, B, C, D. Okay. Now, which will be highest potential? VA, then some drop across it, and VB, then again some drop, then again some drop. Okay. And VD will be same as what is at the negative terminal potential. What is the potential at the negative terminal of the battery? That will be VD same as that. And what will be the potential if what is the potential at A? It will be same as the potential at positive terminal. Okay. This is clear. So which should be greater? VA greater than
Yes, sir.
VB greater than VC. This you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me what will be the potential difference between A and B? What will be potential
Sir,
difference
A
across
minus
A and
B.
B? So across, so potential across R1,
A minus B.
VA minus VB,
VB.
VA minus VB. Okay. So this
VB.
we are considering as V1. Okay. This is our first resistance. So R1 I am putting only V1. Okay. Understood this one? So
Yes,
V1
sir.
is this much. This is V1. Okay. V2 will be how much? VC minus
VB minus. Sir,
VP
B
minus
minus C.
VP minus VC. V3 VC minus VD. Okay. This will be the potential drop across this. Okay. And V will be how much? VA minus,
V1. VB.
okay, V equal to VA minus VD. Okay. If we add them, we are getting VA minus VD.
Yes, sir.
That is V equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. Okay. You can see as well this way as well. This was the total potential applied. That is the total potential difference across A and B. So drop across V1, this first resistance R1 is V1. Okay. So see here how it is. Here potential difference V1. This is V2, V3. Potential difference, potential drop across A and B. V1, V2, V3. So total potential difference, total voltage will be how much? V1 plus V2 plus V3. This you all know? Because each resistance drop
Yes,
is
sir.
taking place. So we have got. So in series, current remains same throughout the circuit. Okay. So V total, this V equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. Okay. V1 can be written as IR1 because I current is flowing through them all. IR1. V2 can be written as IR2.
IR2.
V3 can be written as IR3. Okay. Or V equal to I common we can take R1 plus R2 plus R3. This is clear? The
Yes, sir.
recording is okay. Now, if I consider the equivalent resistance, that is, if I want to remove these three by single resistance, okay, that means the circuit must be something like this. RS, okay, that is equivalent resistance, this one. Current flowing same, I, same current must flow, and V. So if I have to replace these three by single resistance, what will be its value? Its value will be, so this V equal to IRS, RS value will be how much? V upon I. Okay.
Sir,
Or
what does
see here.
RS represent?
Okay, see here what we are going to do. See what will be the equivalent resistance offered in this circuit. What is the
Okay,
equivalent
sir.
resistance? What is the total resistance offered in this circuit? That we are calculating. We are calculating the total resistance offered in the circuit, or in different words, we can say that if we remove these three resistance and replace by a single resistance, such that current flowing through the circuit remains same. It means what these three resistance have offered resistance, these three resistors have offered resistance, that should be have the same value as the single resistance that we are going to put. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Or in simple terms, it is we are going to find the equivalent resistance of this one. Okay. When these three resistance are connected in series, what is the total resistance offered? What is the total resistance offered? And the total resistance offered we are considering as RS. S subscript why we have used? Because they are connected in series. So it represents that resistors are connected in series. RS, that is equivalent resistance when resistors are connected in series. So what will be we can write as IRS equal to I R1 plus R2 plus R3. What is the equivalent resistance? R1 plus R2 plus R3. Is this clear? So in a circuit,
Yes, sir.
okay, okay, now calculate this one. If R1 is 2 ohm, R2 equal to 3 ohm, R3 equal to 4 ohm. What will be the equivalent resistance offered when these three resistors are connected in series?
Sir, 9 ohm.
4 plus 3 plus 2, that is 9 ohm. So equivalent resistance is 9 ohm. Okay, this is clear. Now see one thing,
Yes, sir.
when the resistors are connected in series, how much resistance is of resistance? Equivalent resistance is more than any of these resistors or not? Equivalent resistance is more
Yes,
than,
sir.
because total it is coming 9 ohm, and 9 ohm is greater than each of them. So when resistors are connected in series, the equivalent resistance is always more than any of the resistors connected. Understood this one? Resistance offered in series is always more than the resistance connected. Okay, this is clear. So
Yes, sir.
whenever we have to get more resistance, we will connect them in series. We want more resistance in a circuit. It means they have to be connected in series. As well, you can see that one. If the more resistance are connected, more obstruction to the flow of current. More obstruction to the flow of current. Understood this one? Okay.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
Sir.
if I am connecting n number of resistors, R1, R2, R3, up to Rn. R1, R2, R3, up to Rn resistors. So what will be the total resistance offered or equivalent resistance? R1 plus R2. We have to add them
R1
all up to
R
Rn.
as
Okay. Now, if all these resistance values are same, that is R1 equal to R2 equal to R3 equal to Rn equal to R. And total N resistance. So see here, this time R resistors are there, resistors having value R, and their number is N. N number of resistors are connected in series. N number of resistance are connected in series, and each resistor is having the value of R. That is the same value R. So what will be the total resistance?
R into N.
N times R. R into N or N into R. That means if you are connecting, for example, R. What will be the equivalent resistance?
Sir, 2R.
2R. One resistance,
2R.
two resistance, third resistance, fourth resistance. What will be the equivalent resistance? Each having the same.
Sir, 4R.
4R. Okay. Now such that
R.
N resistors are there. NR. This will be the equivalent resistance. N
Yes,
times
sir.
R. Okay. You can see the resistance has increased. Okay. This is clear. When they are connected in series, resistance offered increases. Equivalent resistance is always greater. Okay. Now we discuss parallel. In parallel, equivalent resistance is always less than the smallest resistor. We will see that one. Okay. So for example, this time we are connected them in parallel. Okay. Again, the cell we have plus minus. Okay. I have connected one resistance. Okay. Okay. Now current is flowing through them, through this resistor, and it offers obstruction. Okay. Now if I connect one more resistor, this time current has got two paths to flow. So you can see some current will flow through them, some current will flow the second one. So I'll be marking R1 on top. R1, R2. Okay. Now see here, some current will flow through the first resistor, some current will flow through the second resistor. So you can see that one. Now current has got two paths to flow. Current has got two paths to flow. So we can say flow of current has increased. Okay. Now if I
Yes, sir.
provide more path, more current will flow because some current will flow through R1, some current will flow through R2, some current will flow through R3. That is total current flow is more. More the number of paths, more current will flow. Yes or no? More the number of paths,
Yes, sir.
more current will flow. It is same as you got the water here,
Sir.
you provided one path here, second path here, third path. So you got more path. So now see what is happening. Here it is V. And this is terminal A and here B. So what is the potential difference between A and B? It is same as V. VA minus VB. It is same as V. And across each resistance, the same potential difference is applied, that is V. Across each resistance, same potential difference is applied. But what about the current? Current is I. Here it is flowing I1. Here it is I2 current. Here I3. Okay. Okay, I ask you one thing. If R3 is greater than R2,
Class.
Yes, sir.
please mute yourself. Okay, I'm muting. Okay. See here, if R2 resistance is more than resistance R, which current will be more?
Yes, sir. Sir, R2.
See again, if R2 is greater than R3, so I2 and I3, which will be greater?
Sir, I2.
I3 will be more. See here, less the resistance, more the current will flow. So current comes here at this point. Now sees that three resistance are there. Current want to flow through the circuit through the path which has less resistance. So it will prefer some. It will say that most of the current must flow through them. Rest some will flow through them. So depending on the resistance, amount of current will flow. Okay. Less the resistance, more current will flow. This is clear.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So here total current flowing will be how much? I1 plus I2 plus I3. This will be the total current flowing. So some current will be flowing.
Yes, sir.
First resistance R1, second I2 R. Okay. Now I1 can be written as V equal to IR, we already know. I equal to V by R. So across R1, what is the potential difference? V. And resistance is R1. So I1 will be how much? V upon R1. V upon R1. This is clear. I2 is how much? I2 current. V upon R2. Potential
Yes, sir.
difference is V. V upon R2 plus V upon R3. This is I. Okay. Now, if we want to remove these three resistors in parallel by single resistance, that will be RS, RP. We are representing it with RP. If you have to replace it with single resistance, that will be RP. Or what is the equivalent resistance offered in this circuit? That will be RP. That is P represents parallel. Okay. In this case, total I will be how much?
V
V
upon
upon
RP.
V upon RP. If you have doubt, you can ask immediately. V upon R1 plus V upon R2 plus V upon R3. V get cancelled. So 1 upon RP equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. Okay. Here you can see one thing. For example, I1 equal
Excuse
to
me,
V
sir.
upon 1 minute just. Okay. I explain this one. You can ask. Okay. Current in first, I1 equal to V upon R1. So current flowing in the particular path is inversely proportional to resistance. If more the resistance, less the current will flow. If more the resistance, less the current will flow. Understood this relation? Yes, you can
Yes,
ask
sir.
now.
Sir, that means in that resistance I1, that parallel combination of resistor, that
Yes.
R1 will have, R2 will have more resistance than the R1. Means R2 will,
We do not know it. See here, if their values are not given, we don't know. So we'll take that example. Okay. I'm going to take
sir.
example after some time. Okay. If you don't understand, ask that. Okay. This is clear.
Yes, sir, sir. Take one
Depending on their
example
values.
only.
Okay, I'll take one example there. This is clear. Equivalent resistance offered.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we'll take example, then it will get more clear. Okay. So for example, okay, with two resistors, I take example. That will be easy. So here we have connected two resistors in parallel. I'm rubbing most of them. Yes. Okay. This is our R1. This is R2. So I'm taking this as 1 ohm. R2 we are taking how much we can take? 2 ohm is fine. Okay. And potential difference we will take afterwards. Okay. Now see. Okay, we take it as 3 volt. Okay. Now calculate the equivalent resistance.
So 3
Calculate.
ohm.
No.
So why?
They are connected in series or parallel.
Parallel. So 1.
Parallel. It means, see here, again you can either use formula I1 equal to V equal, okay, total I equal
V
to
equals to IR.
I1 plus I2. Okay, I1 is
I2.
how much? V upon R1
Yes,
plus
sir.
V upon R2. This will be how much? V upon RP. So 1 upon RP equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. Or 1 upon,
1
okay,
1 upon 1
1 upon 1 plus
plus 1 upon
1
2.
upon 2. 1 upon RP equal to 1 plus 1 by 2. It will be how much? 3 by 2.
3 by 2.
RP will be how much? We have to take the reciprocal. 2 by 3 ohm. RP will be how much?
2 upon 3
By
ohm.
2 upon 3 ohm. And it is how much? 0.66 ohm. 0.66 ohm. Okay. So see here, this is we have okay. So see here, RP is what parallel is. How to calculate? Take the reciprocal of this one. This is the formula. This is the formula.
Yes,
So put
sir.
the values 1 upon Rp equal to 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon 2 and calculate them. So 1 upon Rp, it is coming out to be 3 by 2. So Rp will be how much? 2 by 3 ohm, and it is how much? 0.66 ohm. Okay. Now see here, what all conclusions we can make. Observe here. R1 is 1 ohm, R2 is 2 ohm. When they are connected in parallel, what is happening? Equivalent resistance is more or less. It is less than even the smallest resistance. Less than the smallest resistance even. Smallest is how much? 1 ohm. And here how much we are getting? 0.66 ohm. 0.66 ohm. Understood this one?
Yes,
So
sir.
when
Yes, sir.
when resistors are connected in parallel, the offered resistance will be less. For example, in a circuit, we want less resistors, but we are having high resistors. So what we'll do, we'll connect them in parallel and we will be getting less resistor. Okay. So to increase the resistance, we must connect them in series. To decrease the resistance, we must connect in parallel. So if we are connecting in parallel, current is having more paths to flow. When we are connected in parallel, current is having more path to flow. But when we are connected in series, what will happen? Current is having a single path and more resistance is there in the path. Therefore, current it will get obstructed by every resistor and it will be less current flowing through the circuit. This is clear. So when we have to get more resistance, we will connect them in series. When we have to get less resistance, we will connect them in parallel. Okay. You have to remember this formula. Series is add them. Simple add them. You can see when we are adding, equivalent is always more. And here what we are going to take? We have to take the reciprocal of each resistor, then we have to add them, then again we have to take the reciprocal. That will be the equivalent resistors. Okay. Okay, one more thing I tell you. Okay. So if two resistors are there, equivalent resistance 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. Okay. If we add them, what will be the LCM? R1, R2. It will be R2 plus R1, or we can write R1 plus R2. Because addition is commutative. We have studied that. 1 plus 2 is same as 2 plus 1. This is clear? 1 minute. Oh, I made one mistake. 1 upon Rp. Now Rp will be how much? R1, R2 divided by
R1 plus R2.
R1 plus. We have taken the reciprocal, okay? So, okay, now we discuss the current here as well. 1 minute, I'll take. Okay. So equivalent resistance is how much? Rp equal to 2 by 3 ohm. This was the equivalent resistance. So current flowing is through the circuit will be how much? V upon Rp. This will be the total current flowing. So it will be how much? It will be 3 divided by 2 divided by 3. Okay, we take it 2 volts. That will be more easy. Okay. 2 divided by 2 into 3. This will be there. 2 get cancelled. So I equal to how much? 3 amperes. Okay. V by Rp only we are doing. So current flow is how much? 3 amperes. Okay. Check how much current is flowing through first resistor. How much current is flowing through first resistor? How we can calculate current from first resistor? V equal to IR1. Okay. I1 R1. Yes or no? This is V equal
Yes,
to
sir.
I1 R1. I1 equal to 2 by 1. How much? 2 amperes. I2 equal to V by R2. 2 by 2 ohm. That is 1 ampere. So see here, which is having less resistance? R1. So more current will flow from R1. How much? 2 ampere is flowing from this side. And from R2, more resistance, less current is flowing. You can say 3 ampere was total. So 1 ampere flowed through this path, 2 ampere flowed through this path. Understood this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Revise this one and we'll discuss little portion is remaining. We'll discuss that one. Okay, one more thing I have to tell. After this chapter, we'll be discussing the numericals. Then we'll start the electrical energy and power. Okay, we'll complete this chapter. We'll discuss the numericals. Questions I'll be taking each day. Some I'll be asking. You have to switch on the video. When the name is called, you have to switch on the video. Then I'll ask the question. Okay, after this, we'll start the first chapter, force. Okay, when this chapter is over, we'll start first chapter, force. Okay, so go through them, revise them properly. They are very important and they are very easy as well. If you revise.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
will you upload the recording?
Yes, I'll be uploading the video. I've recorded, I will be uploading. So by afternoon, you will have the, by 2 p.m. you will get the
Sir,
video or before
Sir,
that
on
as well.
piece of Sir, on
Yes,
piece
I'll
of
be
paper.
uploading this, for these days, I'm uploading the same way. No change. Okay.
Okay, sir.